Every little bump in the road vibrates this fan a lot. And I have no clue what's causing this vibration. Even if I hit very lightly, this is not very hard hit. You can still hear how bad the plastic vibrates. I'm barely hitting it. I don't know why, but the front seems to be the worst. And I cannot find the part that's actually causing the vibration. Okay. If it's opened, there is no issue anymore. Much better. Wow, if it's partially closed, it's awful. If it's completely closed, it's not as bad as partially closed, but still bad. If I open it, no vibrations. What should I do?